guys, today video is about reasoning section. Okay, in that I will start puzzle concept. Okay, as you all know, there are many types of puzzles like seating arrangements, in linear arrangements or circular, square or rectangle, or floor based puzzles, age based puzzles. Okay, like that so many categories are there. So in this video, first in starting of the puzzles, I picked simple arrangements, that is circular, which is easy and scoring topic. Okay, generally in banking exams we'll get to see 4 to 5 questions on puzzles. In that maximum we will see the circular arrangement. Okay, so I thought of starting with the circular seating arrangement. So in that circular also, based on exam level, there are many types. Like for example, this is circular. Okay, don't please mind the diagram. Okay, so mainly minimum 8 persons will be there. Okay, minimum I'm saying. Okay, any scale 1 level exam, be it RBI regulatory bodies also, in preliminary level you will get to see minimum 8 persons. If in case RRB clerk, in that way, sometimes if they if they want to give other puzzles moderate to difficult, they will give circular with 6 persons. Okay, but mostly 90% 8 persons will be there. So again in that circular arrangement, that 8 persons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so in this way they will arrange. So that, see, this is arrangement. Mostly minimum 2 variables will be there, 3 4 variables will be there. So okay, 2 is the easy level, 4 is the, okay, 3 is the moderate level, 4 is moderate to difficult level. More than 4 variables, it is hard to see such type of questions, but generally we will get to see 2 3 4 variables means, now one is the direction, another is the persons. If we take 2 persons, 2 variables, one will be of direction and one will be of persons. Like one directions means either inside, okay, or outside. Okay, sitting inside. See, inside outside means either here in this case facing the center. Okay, this is outside the center. Sometimes they will give, see, it's all about terminology. Okay, they will say inside, facing outside. Okay, so first simple level questions are, RRB clerk level, they will give only one direction, like all are facing. If you take 8 persons, all are facing inside, one type of question. All are facing outside, another type of questions. In sometimes in some question 4 will be of equal, 4 will be inside, 4 will be outside, either alternatively sitting, otherwise they will not give. We don't know how many persons sitting inside or outside. Based on the data we will find the, we will make the diagram. So now based on the difficulty level, that level, the conditions will be there. Like for example, neighbors sitting not more than 2 people will face same direction. In that way, if they want to increase the difficulty level, they will give less clues and they will give little bit complex. But terminology, especially those who are practicing puzzles for the first time, especially this circular, don't get panic. Very simple, easy topic and scoring topic. Okay, scoring puzzles comparative to floor and age based or other puzzles. Okay, because see, I know linear puzzles also very easy, but mostly they will give north and south or 2 parallel sitting. Okay, but try to practice circular. Personally I feel circular puzzles are easy compared to linear and others. Okay, but linear also easy, same level only, but circular generally with less clues we will easily find the diagram. Okay, now in this is inside. Now if you consider this as this direction arrow, see, this is right. Okay, so already if anyone have written, they will have idea, but those who are practicing for the first time, for them I'm saying this will be of right direction, person sitting. Okay, if you make inside arrow in this way, or else north direction, this will be of right, this will be of left. Okay, clockwise means here, because sometimes in question they will give who is sitting clockwise to whom and anti-clockwise. Clockwise means in this direction, anti-clockwise means in this direction. Okay, sorry, in this direction. Anti-clock means reverse. Okay, so as you practice you will get to know, but once try to know the terminology. Okay, now with simple puzzle I will start this puzzle series. Okay, so I don't want to make lengthy, so I will take one question for one video. Today will be simple question, that is only two variables, persons and direction. The direction also only one I mean one man, I mean inside or outside. Okay, so in this question I have taken all inside, I guess, facing center. Okay, so I have taken only one direction, that too all are facing same direction. Okay, so initially try to practice this simple puzzles and then increase your level. Okay, so okay, even if you are confident, especially first time who are practicing, don't go for moderate levels. Okay, unnecessarily you will get panic, because most of the time puzzles, you know, if very scoring topic, because if you want to get higher marks, higher cutoff in reasoning other than miscellaneous like syllogisms, input inequalities, directions or blood relations, alphanumeric, you know, everyone, most of them will prepare, but those who will score puzzles, you know, that 4 to 5 minimum 2 puzzles, they will get the higher marks. So definitely you should attempt at least 2 puzzles in the final exams. Okay, so with that I will start the simple puzzle today in this video. Okay, so now is the first question. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, R. So simple question, only persons and single direction. That single direction also everyone facing similar direction. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a circular table. Okay, facing center. Okay, now 8 persons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 members. Here I will do the diagram, because I want to show the question as well as the diagram. See, in exam, try to solve the puzzle in 2 to 2.5 minutes. Okay, in 2 to 2.5 minutes you have to answer 5 questions. Okay, first minute should be, okay, try to, if in some people will solve in 2 minutes also, because they will not write the clues on the paper, in mind only, when reading on the screen they will remember and they will solve. That will come only with practice. Okay, but initially try to write clues on the paper. So okay, first minute try to read the data what they have given, second minute get those clues to the diagram and finish the diagram within 2 minutes. And in that, whatever the minimum 5 questions they will ask, in some questions if they want to give number of more puzzles, they will give 3 questions, but mostly you will get to see 5 questions for one puzzle. Okay, so now what they will give in one question, when you get the diagram, 100% accuracy will be there. Okay, when you are getting, you know, some other miscellaneous topics also, inequality, syllogisms, even though how much practice you will do, you know, inaccuracy, you know, wrong will be happening. Okay, you know, in hurry burry or any mistake, but when you get in puzzles, if you get the correct diagram, there is no chance of getting negative mark. Only the thing is you need to read the question properly and try to attempt the question and give the right answer. Okay, so that one question you need to complete in 5 to 10 seconds. You know, these 5 questions you have to finish in 20 to 30 seconds. In that way, 2.5 minutes for one puzzles. So if with practice you can solve in 2 minutes also. Now when I'm solving, I will take, you know, time. Okay, but in exam I will do fast, but for explaining it will take time. But this is a simple puzzle, you can solve within less than 2 minutes, because only 2 variables, single direction. You know, now 8 members are facing center. Okay, whenever I will make circle and 8 members, I will not do in this way 1 2 3 4. I will do in this way, so that if they have given any diagonally sitting opposite to each other, means to look easy in diagram way, I will do. Some people they will draw in this way, circle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In that way they will do. But again, if we do fast and see, not facing each other, you know, try to, diagram is your own interest, but my personal suggestion is try to, when you draw initially only, draw in this way, opposite 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So given 8 members and all are facing center. Okay, so this diagram you should do fast. Okay, now clues are there. Now C is sitting second to the left of B. B is now only, this is the first clue. C is second to the left of B. Okay, now B is fourth to the right of E. Now D is the common for both E and C. So what I will do is, in any of the 8 places, try to take B at your own in place. Okay, because B is the common factor combining C and E. Okay, so what you will do, first write B with అంటే మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ప్లేస్లో రాసుకోండి B. Now take the clue. C is second to the left of B. Okay, second to the left means B, second to the left means this is immediate left or first left. Okay, try to, these terminologies are important when you are at initial stages. Okay, this is called immediate left, immediate right, immediate left or first left. Okay, in question they have given second to the left of B, so first left, second left. So C is the second to the left of B and B is fourth to the right of E. B is fourth to the right of E means B is sitting fourth to the right. Here I can't write, okay, because this will be left. So where I will get E means here 1 2 3 4. Okay, here E 1 2 3 4 kada. Here I will get, because this is right of E. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, B is fourth to the right of E. B is fourth to the right of E. 1 2 3 4. Hope you are getting. Okay, F and A are not immediate neighbors of B. F and A are not immediate neighbors of B. Means neighbors means here either left or right. These two are called neighbors. Okay, so what they are saying, F and A are not immediate neighbors. So the possibility is at these 3 places. When you are starting practicing at initial stages, try to write at far distance. Okay, give some space. Okay, again don't write here and cancel, exam time you will get confused. Okay, while practicing try to write at some, otherwise if you have a strong memory, then try to remember in your brain that here I will not get F and A, only 3 places are there. But I will recommend starting until you are good at puzzles, try to write on the paper. Okay, in these 3 places I will get F or A, but not in these 2 places. Next is F is third to the right of A. Okay, now F is third to the right of A. If I take first, these 3 places are possibility for F and A. If I take here, first I will start here. Okay, F is third to the right of A means if I will take A here, F third means here this is right, third to the right means 1 2 3, already B is there, so here no chance of A. If I take here third to the right means 1 2 3, already C is there, so no possibility. So this is the remaining part, so here A will be coming. Okay, third to the right means 1 2 3, so here F will come. So I will cancel this. So after writing here, cancel the this part. Okay, extra information. Okay, F and A. So F is third to the right of A. 1 2 3. Now only one remaining 3 positions we will see on next clue. Okay, see, with explaining this much time will be there, but when you do individually thinking in your brain like reading, it will be in less than 2 minutes only you will solve this puzzle. Okay, next, F is third. H is not an immediate neighbor of A. So here this is A, H is not neighbor, immediate neighbor. So immediate means just before left, just before right. Okay, this is just before left. So here H will be not there, here H will be not there. So the only remaining vacant position is here. So here H will come. Okay, next, A is immediate left of G. So here A is there. Immediate left of G means here G will not come because it will be right. But in question they have given left of G. So here G will come. Okay. So A is immediate left of G. Okay. Immediate left of G. Now only one position is left, and which one is remaining? A, B, C, D is not there. So here D will come. So this is the final diagram. A, D, B, H, C, F, E. This diagram you should get within 1 minute of reading the clues. Then you can answer the questions. Okay. Now see these questions. 5 questions will be there, and after getting this diagram, this is so easy to answer. Who is sitting second to the left of G? Now this is G. Second to the left means 1, 2. That is D. Next, who is immediate left of C? Immediate left of C. C. Left, right. Immediate left means F. Okay. Next, who is third to the right of C? C third to the right. This is right. 1, 2, 3. D. So here in this option D is not there. So this is none of this. Okay. Not means none of this. Next. So in 5 questions also 3 questions will be easy, direct questions, but sometimes fourth this one will be of moderate, that is clockwise, anti-clockwise. With respect to position they will ask, means third to the right, second to the left, fifth to the right. In that way they will ask. Okay. In next question they will say 4 are similar and 1 will be different. Okay. Definitely you will see these patterns in these 5 questions. 3 will be of direct, 1 will be of the with position right or left or clockwise or anti-clockwise. Fifth will be 4 will be similar, 1 will be different. Okay. Now 3 easy, like in 2 seconds we will answer. Now what is G's position with respect to B? Whenever they ask this position, try to check the diagram. G's position with respect to B అంటే G Bకి ఎలా ఉంది అని చెప్పి, how is G with respect to B. If we take right of B, then it is 1, 2, 3, third to the right. If we take left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth to the left. Okay. Whenever you answer such type of question, don't go in option wise. Some people will do in option wise, third to the right, and they will check the diagram. If you see third to the right, then if you see 1, 2, 3, okay, right answer if you keep, it's okay if it is only one options. But sometimes in 5 options they will give both right and left, and they will say one of the options both 1 and 2, both 1 and 3. Okay. If you are in a hurry and answer the first option, sometimes it will go wrong. So be patient when you get the puzzle. Don't be in a hurry to answer the question. Okay. Unnecessarily you will lose negative marks. So here now G's position with respect to B is third to the right, fifth to the left. After knowing this, try to check the options. Now what is there? Third to the right, correct. Sorry. Fifth to the left, no. Fifth to the right, third to the left, second to the, no. So only one option is there. So third to the right is correct. Okay. Now same as I said earlier, 4 of the following in 5 are alike in certain way based on their positions, and which of the following does not, this is very important, does not belong to that group. Now see FH. Okay. FH means here it F, here is H. Okay. Alternate, sitting alternate. First see how they are sitting, then second do the directions. Okay. First I will suggest to check the sitting, then you go for the direction, that is sitting left or right. Okay. Now see H and F are alternately sitting. Okay. Next B and A, these two are also alternate. Okay. C and E, C and E alternate. Next D and F. See D and F. See D and F are sitting opposite to each other. Okay. They are not sitting alternately, but they are sitting opposite. So you no need to check fifth option. Fourth is the correct answer. So in this way, simple, mainly you will find such type of questions in RRB clerk preliminary level. Okay. That too with 8 persons in single direction. Hope first try to practice simple questions, then you will get confidence in solving little bit difficult questions. Okay. So simple topics. Okay. First try to write clues and then do the diagram. Okay. Hope it is useful for you. With increase in number of questions, we will increase the difficulty level. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope it will be useful for you. Okay. Happy learning, and thank you so much for watching.